was the ceiling was just kind of blistering at all the tape joints, where I just pulled down the tape joints, and everywhere there was joint compound on the joints, the tape came down and most of the joint compound came down. I asked a question on the videos and I got all kinds of comments of why they thought this joint compound and tape was coming down. Everything from the mud was frozen, they thinned down the joint compound too much, they used hot mud and paper tape, which some people say is a no-no. I even got several comments where they thought the ceiling didn't get primed before the drywall finishing when it's done, but I've never heard of people priming before drywall finishing, that's for sure. How about you? I'm in Florida, so there's a lot of homes here that have drywall outside. They make an exterior soffit board too. What I did is I just went ahead and scraped all the loose parts off. I used my banjo and some FIBA fused drywall tape to do the finishing again of these tape joints. Goes pretty quick with the banjo. Next, it was time for the skim coating. I used an all-purpose joint compound. I didn't thin it down much because when you're going over a texture like skip trowel texture, you want to keep most of the body of the joint compound. If you mix it too thin, you're going to have to do multiple skim coats. And there's the whole skim coated ceiling. Well, it's the next morning after skim coating this ceiling. It appears that all the tape joints have discolored to a yellow. I almost think that what's going on is there's a lot of moisture coming from that pool from evaporation, and they have the vented soffit. So I think moisture from the pool is getting sucked in through the vented soffits and then coming back down on the back side of the drywall, because when you finish joints, there's nothing sealing the back of the joints. So that's, in my opinion, in combination with the heat and humidity here in Florida and the attic getting so hot and the moisture, and that's what made the tape joints fail. And I think the yellow spots are actually moisture coming in from the evaporation of the pool water. Let me know in the comments if that changed your mind of what you think is going on with this ceiling.